Hey guys, this was the effects guy. I just received all the equipment that I'll be getting. I think there's still some on the way, but I think those things that I have right now are gonna be the ones that I'll be setting up right now. So this is so cool, guys. I'm so excited. So make sure that you guys stay put. I'll be doing the unboxing, guys, and showing you guys exactly what's in there. So I'm saying, and I'm gonna show you guys my whole setup. Right now my whole setup's kind of trash. I don't have a good desk yet or a good chair, but I'll still show you guys what I have so far now. So make sure you guys stay put. All right. So let's go ahead and get the first thing, guys. So I think this one is the laptop. So let's take a look at it, right? Yeah, guys. So as you guys can see, I think that might be the laptop because it says enjoy your new PC. So I'm pretty excited about it. So let's just take a look, guys. Let's see what's in there. All right, I'm opening it now, guys. All right. We see what's inside. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's just what's in there. I just took the laptop out, guys. Wow, it looks pretty nice. It's a Microsoft Surface laptop, so it looks pretty good. So let's just take a look, right? Wow, the screen looks amazing, guys. I'm very pleased of it, actually. Wow, it looks pretty good, guys. I'm liking it. See what's in there. What's in this one? All right, yeah, as you guys can see, this is the laptop. It looks pretty nice. I'm liking it. Pretty light, actually. I'm saying, and it's pretty good. I'm saying, so I'm gonna be setting that up on my desk soon. So this is what's given. All right, so this is all we have for this box, right? So I'm gonna unbox the other boxes and I'll get back to you guys. All right. Awesome, guys. Now let's see what's in this bag. Now let's see what's included in that bag. So I'm pretty excited about that. So let's just check. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna take the stuff out that's in there. Wow. Okay. All right. Seems like this is a dock, right? So that's good. So we got a dock, right? So that's amazing. So yeah, guys. So this is what we have, right? So in this bag we got a dock, right? A docker, or whatever you call that. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it does, but but I think it'll be useful. I'm saying, so in the setup. And so I also got some cables and stuff like that. So yeah, that should be pretty interesting. So that's gonna be a nice setup, guys. So make sure you guys continue watching this video. So we'll see what's in the other ones. That next one's gonna be a big one. As you guys can see, it's really huge. It's kind of heavy, actually. So I'm assuming those are the screens. So yeah, we'll take a look at that, right? All right, guys. So I just opened this, right? So let's just take a look to see what's inside, right? All right. So we have a lot of stuff, as you guys can see. So the setup's gonna be pretty nice. I'm gonna show you guys my current setup in a little bit, right, guys? You'll see how bad it is. It's not good at all. I'm not very proud of it, but it got the job done throughout the college years, yeah. So it was pretty good. So yeah, this is what's in there. We got a couple of cables, couple of stuff, right, that we might need. So yeah, I'm gonna be setting everything up for you guys. So make sure to stay in the loop. So this is the color stuff, right? So we got all that. That's a lot of stuff, guys. Wow. Yeah. So I'm setting everything up, right? And I think we have a screen under there, guys. There's a screen, I believe, that's under this one. So that's good. So I'm gonna be setting it up, right? So right now we know what's in there. It's a screen. So let's go on to the next thing that we have. All right. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, the last box, right? The last one, last but not least, right? So let's just take a look at it, right? So I'm just take it up and we'll take a look. All right, guys, so let's see what's in there, right? Okay. So it's pretty much the same thing as the other box, right? So yeah, we can skip that one, right? So yeah, same thing as the other box. So let's just now I'll be working on setting everything up. So let me show you guys my current setup right now. Hey guys, yeah, so pretty much this is a very basic setup that I have. So I pretty much have a big screen, right? And I have a keyboard, I have an iPad that I have right here, right? I have my remote, right, for TV, right? Also I got my mouse, and also I got my Mac, right? And I got my headphones. So pretty much a pretty basic I got my webcam right there, right? And also I got my light thing right there. So yeah, pretty basic one, basic setup. So nothing too fancy here, right? So I'm gonna set up the new thing. That's my chair, right? So nothing too fancy, guys. So pretty simple. So I'm gonna, in the future, we'll be getting a better chair, a better desk, right? So the setup will look a lot better. So, but this is where I do everything, the YouTube videos. See what got me through college. So this is pretty much everything that I have so far. So it will get better from now. So yeah, I'm gonna set up everything and I'll get back to you guys. All right. Yeah, guys, I got the first screen set up. It took me about 5 hours, but I'm getting there. So all right. So the second monitor is up right now. That's good. Hey guys, now we're done. Now we have a better setup. Now we got our laptop right here on the left. We got our first monitor and the second monitor right there, right? We got the dock station in the middle. So, and we got the power supply the bottom right. I know my desk is pretty cheap, you know. For now, yeah, I'll get another one probably when I get my first paycheck, guys. You know what I'm saying. So this is very good, guys. So yeah, you get the chair right there, you know, all the extra stuff, right? So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see how I'm gonna transform this crappy looking setup that I have, guys, to a much better one, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.